And he entered into a ship and passed over and came in to his own city. And behold, they brought to him a man sick of the palsy, lying on a bed. And Jesus, seeing their faith, said unto the sick of the palsy, Son, be of good cheer, thy sins be forgiven thee. The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. But there were certain of the scribes sitting there and reasoning in their hearts, why doth this man thus speak blasphemies? Who can forgive sins but God only? The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. And immediately when Jesus perceived in his spirit that they so reasoned within themselves, he said unto them, why reason ye these things in your hearts? The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. Whether is it easier to say to the sick of the palsy, thy sins be forgiven thee, or to say, rise and take up thy bed and walk? The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. But that ye may know that the Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. He saith to the sick of the palsy, I say unto thee, arise and take up thy bed and go thy way into thine house. The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins. And immediately he arose, took up the bed, and went forth before them all. Insomuch that they were all amazed and glorified God, saying, we never saw it on this fashion. The Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sin.